So now your food reaches the small intestine, whereas after small intestine it goes to a large intestine. This is your large intestine. When we talk about large intestine, it's divided into three parts. What are these three parts? If you will see this part, this is your ascending colon. The next is T-shape, which is known as transverse colon, and the last one is descending colon. Okay, now you might have learned the numbers in your maths 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all ascending numbers, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are descending numbers. Are you clear with the terms ascending and descending? So from there you could remember the word ascending colon. If your food moves up over here and through the ascending colon, there is a T-shaped structure over here known as transverse colon. The food moves through transverse colon, then it goes down to in the descending colon. It comes finally to the rectum. This is your rectum, and then you ultimately poop it out. Now, when the food was moving in the large intestine, there are some fibers in the food which will not get digested, and these fibers will help the bad food, the food which is not required by your body. These fibers will push that food into the large intestine. Once this comes to the large intestine, the unwanted food, the undigested food, when it goes to the large intestine, what exactly happens over here? The muscular wall of the large intestine absorbs the water from the food. Now, the food which is not needed by your body, which is not required by your body, it is a semi-solid food now. This food moves down and finally it comes down and you poop it out. As I told you earlier also, the good food what is required by our body goes to the blood through villi. When I talked about the villi in the small intestine, I also told you all the good food what is required by our body goes to the blood. Now, we should be very particular in eating the food, because whatever we eat goes to all the parts of our body. It goes to our eyes, our brain, and each and every part of the body. And this food